Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about NIOS, a social science assignment. Before starting this, I want to share something. We have prepared all the answers and all in the PDF and the handwritten form. So if you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen below, which is 90093682238, and you can also ask your queries if you have or related to the other courses. And question number 6b is here: they conduct a survey in 20 households near your vicinity and try to collect the following information as shown below in the table. Based on an analysis of collected information, try to find out following. First is literacy percentage, the second is employment percentage. And here is a table which we have prepared in our PDF. So if you answer all the questions, so you can contact us on WhatsApp number, which we will provide on your WhatsApp. If you need a handwritten assignment, so we will provide on your doorstep. Thank you so much for watching.